Good afternoon. Is it the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the previous lecture, we seen that one lemma is there. Okay, what is the lemma? If x bar is the vector such that x bar is equal to pqr, that is x bar is equal to pi bar plus qj bar plus rk cap. Okay, cap, where I, j, k are the unit vectors along the respective coordinate axis, and given that the x bar curl x bar is equal to 0. Okay, the dot product of x bar curl x bar is equal to 0, and mu is an arbitrary differentiable function of x, y, z. Then we have proved that ux bar into curl ux bar is equal to 0. Okay, so today we will see what is the geometric interpretation of Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, the geometrical interpretation of Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, next study, geometrical interpretation of Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, now look at here. Consider the Pfaffian differential equation. Consider the Pfaffian differential equation is of the form P capital P into dx plus capital Q into dy plus capital R into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, give it as an equation number 1. So this is the Pfaffian differential equation, where the capital E is equal to P, Q, and R. Okay, forms a vector field, a vector field in the space. Okay, these three coordinates forms the vector field in the space. Okay, and it's called a Pfaffian differential, and this equation is called Pfaffian differential equation defined on R3. Defined on R3. Okay, Euclidean space. Now let us assume that. Let us assume that u is equal to xyz is equal to u of xyz, sorry, capital U. Okay, capital U of x, y, and z, which is equal to constant, be the family of surfaces. Okay, so family of surfaces which is orthogonal to the vector field E. The vector field E. Okay, हे कसं दिसेल R3 space मध्ये? Suppose this one is the family of surfaces. Suppose this is the surface, which is u of xyz is equal to capital U of x, y, z. X, y, z is equal to C. Okay, and this is the vector field E, which is orthogonal to given surface. Okay, this is the E, which is equal to PQR. E is nothing but PQ and R. Okay, now look at here. Now this is the family of surfaces and this is the vector field E, which is PQR. And this PQR forms the vector field, and this vector field is orthogonal to this. Sorry, this family of surfaces is orthogonal to vector field E. Okay, and this is the curve on the surfaces. Suppose this is the curve. Okay, now look at it. Let us assume that U of x, y, z is equal to constant with the family of surfaces orthogonal to the vector field E. Okay, that is what it means orthogonal to E. It means that every vector every vector resulting from E resulting from E is orthogonal to or normal to the or normal to the surface U of x, y, z, which is equal to constant. Okay, so every vector resulting from the E, so every vector from this vector field PQR, okay, is orthogonal to this surface, which is U of x, y, z is equal to constant. Okay, let r bar is equal to x, y, z be any point, be a point, be the point on the surface. Okay, on the surface. On the surface, capital U of x, y, z is equal to c, which implies what is the tangent vector then? dr bar. Okay, so dr bar is nothing but dx, dy, and dz. Okay, this is the tangent vector at point r. Okay, suppose this is the point r bar. Okay, then tangent vector is given by like this. Okay, so this is the dr bar. Okay, this is the point x, y, z. Any point x, y, z be the any point on this surface, and this is the tangent vector dx, dy, dz. Okay, which given like this. Be the tangent direction to the given curve, curve. Okay, on this surface, at point x, y, z, at point x, y, z. Okay, up to here any doubt? Up to here any doubt?
No, sir.
Now look at this equation number 1. Now from equation 1 we can write, what is the equation 1? P dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to what? 0. Okay, which implies we can write in the form of dot product p q r into dx, dy, and dz. Dot product of these two vectors is equal to 0. From 1 we can write. Okay, this is from 1. Okay, that is, this is PQR is nothing but what? E, and this one is tangent vector is nothing but dr bar, which is equal to 0. Okay, the dot product of these two one are 0. It means what? What is the meaning of this sentence? These two vectors are orthogonal to each other. Okay, hence look at here. This E and dr bar is orthogonal to each other. perpendicular to each other. Okay, that implies a tangent vector, tangent vector resulting from E is perpendicular to this tangent direction, dr bar. Okay, at point x, y, z. Okay, therefore the gradient of this function, okay, the gradient of this function, which function, u is equal to u of x, y, z is equal to c1, this function is given by, gradient of this function is what, del u. Okay, del capital U is parallel to the vector field, to the vector field. Okay, it means that there exists a function, say mu of x, y, z, such that del u is equal to mu of x, y, z into E. Okay, what is the gradient of this function? Del u. Okay, and that the gradient of u is given by dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. ओके, ग्रेडियंट आणि कर्ल म्हणजे काय, हे व्हिडिओ कालचे लिंक टाकले ते पहा एकदा व्यवस्थित. ओके, विच इज इक्वल टू म्यू into, instead of mu of x, y, z, we can write only mu, and here is nothing but what, p, q, and r. Okay, which implies dou u by dou x is equal to mu p, dou u by dou y is equal to mu q, and dou u by dou z, which is equal to mu into r. Okay, but the total derivative of u is given by, but we have the total derivative of function u is given by dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy plus dou u by dou z into dz. Now putting the values of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z in this equation, we get du is equal to mu into p dx plus u dy plus r dz. So this is the equation number 2. Okay, this is the value of dou u. Okay, now look at here. If there exists a family of surfaces, u of x, y, z is equal to c, constant c is orthogonal to the vector field E. Okay, if there exists a family of surfaces u of x, y, z is equal to c is orthogonal to the vector field E, we say that the Pfaffian differentiable equation. The Pfaffian differentiable equation is integrable. Okay, by the definition of integrable is what? When we say that the Pfaffian differential equation is integrable, there exists a function u of x, y, z, okay, such that du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy plus r dz, where this mu is called as what? Integrating factor. Okay, so here if there exists a family of surfaces u of x, y, z is equal to c, which is orthogonal to the vector field E, we say that that Pfaffian differentiable equation is integrable. Okay, if there is not such a family exist, if there is not such a family, we say that the Pfaffian differentiable equation, Pfaffian differential equation is not integrable. Okay, hence the equation 2 is the definition of why, since the integration of, since the equation 2 is what? Is the definition of integrability. Definition of integrability of Pfaffian differentiable equation. Okay, any doubt up to here? जर अशी एखादी फॅमिली एक्झिस्ट झाली such that du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy plus r dz, and that family is orthogonal to the vector field, then we say that there is a the differentiable equation is the integrable. Okay, any doubt up to here? So this is the geometrical interpretation of Pfaffian differentiable equation. Now the next theorem is the necessary and sufficient condition that the Pfaffian differentiable equation is integrable. Okay, look at this here. काही डाउट्स आहेत का याच्यात? Then the next theorem, prove that a necessary and sufficient condition, necessary and sufficient condition that the Pfaffian, wait a minute, because one thing. Okay, the prove that the necessary and sufficient condition that the Pfaffian differential equation x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 be integrable that x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the Pfaffian differentiable equation. Okay, हे कसं काय Pfaffian differentiable equation होईल ते बघूया आता. ओके, ना प्रूव्ह द्या. एखादं Pfaffian differentiable equation जर इंटिग्रेबल असेल तर कधी म्हणू शकतो, जेव्हा कर्ल x बार इंटू कर्ल x बार इज इक्वल टू 0 हे जर कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली तर तो फंक्शन काय असेल, डिफरन्शिएबल इक्वेशन इंटिग्रेबल असेल आणि इंटिग्रेबल असेल तर काय होईल एक्स बार कर्ल एक्स बार इज इक्वल टू 0 येईल. ओके. Now consider the Pfaffian differentiable equation in three variables. Consider the Pfaffian differentiable equation in three variables. Okay. P of x, y, z into dx plus q of x, y, z into dy plus r of x, y, z into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, what is the x bar? In the previous theorem, we see seen that x bar is nothing but p q r. Okay, and r bar is equal to x, y, and z, which implies dr bar is equal to dx, dy, and dz. Okay, hence x bar into dr bar, which is equal to this is p, q, and r dot product of with dx, dy, and dz, which is equal to p dx plus q dy plus r dz. Okay. So value of x bar into dr bar is nothing but p dx plus q dy plus r dz. Thus, x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 if and only if p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. So this is nothing but what? Pfaffian differentiable equation. Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, now the necessary part. First part. Necessary part. Okay, let us assume that x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 is integrable. Okay, what is the meaning of integrable? There exists a function u of xyz which is equal to c such that du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy plus r dz, where mu is integrating factor. Okay, in the first part we have assumed that x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 is integrable. That is, the Pfaffian differentiable equation is integrable. To prove that, x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0. Okay, by the definition of integrability. Okay, we have to prove this one. Okay, we are assumed that x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 is integrable. So by the definition of integrability, by the definition of integrability, there exists a differentiable function u of x, y, z, okay, which is equal to c, and mu of x, y, z, such that is integrating factor, okay, such that du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy plus r dz. Okay, so this is the definition of integrability. Now, since we have du is equal to what? Dou u upon dou x into dx plus dou u upon capital U, okay, dou y into dy plus dou u upon dou z into dz. This is the equation number 2. Assume this equation, and this one is equation number 3. Now comparing the coefficient of 2 and 3. Comparing the coefficient of dx, dy, dz in equation 2 and 3, we get comparing comparing the coefficients of dx, dy, and dz in 2 and 3. We have, okay, what we have, du upon dx is equal to mu p, du upon dy is equal to dou u upon dou y is equal to mu q, dou u upon dou z is equal to mu r. Okay, which implies dou u upon dou x is equal to mu p, dou u upon dou y is equal to mu q, dou u upon dou z is equal to mu r. Okay, hence it implies that dou u upon dou x, dou u upon dou y, and this one is dou u upon dou z, which is equal to mu p and mu q, and this one is mu r, which is equal to mu into p q r. Okay, so what is the value of this one? Is gradient of u. Okay, the gradient of u is equal to, this is mu, and what is this one? PQR is x bar. Okay, give it equation number 5 and this one to the 4. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now we have one property. The curl of gradient of u is equal to 0. Okay, we know that one property is there. Curl of, okay, grad of u, gradient of u is equal to 0. By using that property, we get curl of grad of u is equal to 0. We have curl of, okay, grad of u is what? Del of u is equal to 0, which implies curl of, what is the value of this one? Mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, from 5. It implies mu x bar, by multiplying mu x bar into this to this one, curl mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, therefore by using previous lemma, we get if mu x bar into curl mu x bar is equal to 0, we get x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0 by using previous lemma. Okay, any doubt up to here? So this is the necessary part. Okay, now the sufficient part. Let us assume that x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0. We have to prove that the equation x bar into dr bar is equal to 0 is integrable. Okay, that is the Pfaffian differential equation is integrable. The Pfaffian differentiable equation integrable आहे हे दाखवण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल? There exists a function u of x y z is equal to c such that du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy plus r dz. Okay, where mu is integrating factor. Now we have to prove that the equation r bar into dr bar is equal to 0 is integrable. Okay, we assume that for this one we assume that z is equal to constant, which implies dz is equal to 0. Thus, the equation 1 becomes What is the equation 1? Then we get P of x, y, z plus Q into dx, P of x, y, z into dx plus Q of x, y, z into dy plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 6. Okay. Now, this is the Pfaffian differentiable equation in two variables. Okay, P and Q. Hence, by using the previous theorem, we know that the Pfaffian differentiable equation in two variables is integrable always. Okay, so this is the Pfaffian differential equation in two variables, and by previous theorem we know that the Pfaffian differentiable equation in two variable is integrable. Hence, the equation 6 is integrable. Therefore, by the definition of integrability, there exists a function. There exists a function u of x, y, z is equal to c or c1. Okay, where c1 is the arbitrary constant and c1 contain may or may not contain z. Okay, why? Because this is the function of two variable. Okay, that u of x, y, z may or may not contain z, since there is the function of two variable. Okay, where c1 is the constant, where c1 is an arbitrary constant, and c1 may contain z, and integrating factor mu is the xyz, mu of xyz, and the integrating factor is what? Integrating factor mu is the function of x, y, z. Okay, like it complete. And integrating factor mu is the function of x, y, z, such that okay, by the definition of integrability, we can write du is equal to mu into p dx plus q dy. Okay, which is equal to, what is the value of dou u? Dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy, which is equal to mu p into dx plus mu q into dy. Okay, now comparing the coefficient of dx and dy, we get, comparing the coefficients of dx and dy, we get what? We get dou u upon dou x is equal to mu p, and dou u upon dou y is equal to mu q. This is the equation number 7. Okay, any doubt up to here? Now substituting these values, substitute this equation 7 in 1. Okay, we get what is the value of p? 1 upon u dou u by dou x. Okay, 1 upon mu into dou u by dou x p dx. Now what this is one, this one is p into dx. plus 1 upon mu into dou u by dou y into dy, okay, plus r dz is equal to 0. Okay, this implies dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy plus r into mu into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, now adding and subtracting dou u upon dou z into dz. Hence we get, which implies dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy, okay, dy plus dou u by dou z into dz. Okay, this is add one, and this one is mu r into dz minus dou u by dou z into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, which implies what? But what is the value of this one is equal to du. Okay, total derivative of function u plus, now this one is r into mu r, sorry, r mu r minus dou u by dou z into dz, which is equal to 0. Okay, which implies, now putting the value of this one, say k. So here we get du plus k into dz is equal to 0. Give it equation number 8, this one. Okay. Sorry, this one is equation number 8. Okay, where k is equal to, what is the value of k? Mu r minus dou u by dou z. Okay, this is equation number 9. Now it is given that x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0. It is given that x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0. Okay, okay, it means, implies mu x bar into curl mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, by previous theorem. Question number, this one is 10, where what is the value of mu x? Mu x bar is equal to mu p, mu q, and mu r. Okay, which is equal to, what is the value of mu p? Dou u by, wait a minute. What is the value of mu p? From equation 7 and 9, look at here. From equation 7, mu p's value is what? Dou u by dou x, and mu q is dou u by dou y. Okay, which is equal to dou u by dou x. This is dou u by dou y, and this one mu r is nothing but what? From equation this, mu r is nothing but k plus du by dz, dou u by dou z, k plus dou u by dou z. Okay, from 7 and 9. Okay, so this equation we can write in the form of dot product, is equal to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and this one is dou u by dou z into plus, sorry, in the form of addition, 0, 0, k. Okay, so this is the value of what? Mu x bar. Hence, now curl of mu x, curl of mu x bar is given by gradient of कसं डोनेट करतो आपण क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विथ mu x bar, okay, which is equal to curl of this one. This is what del of u, grad of u, okay, plus curl of this vector 0 0 k, okay. कर्ल ऑफ mu x bar असं डिफाइन करतो आपण क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विथ gradient del, okay, which is equal to now curl of grad of mu is equal to 0. We know the property curl of grad of mu is equal to 0 plus what is the curl of this vector in the form of determinant I, j and k. This is d by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. This one is 0 0 and k, okay. So curl of mu x bar which is equal to what is the coordinate of I? I coordinate काय येणार इथे dou k by dou y. z coordinate sorry काय येणार इथे dou k by dou x. z coordinate minus, is it minus sign, minus j into असतो ना, minus j minus of dou k upon dou y, okay. Wait a minute, ith coordinate काय येणार first to first column गेला dou k by dou y, this is dou k by dou y. z coordinate minus dou k by dou x, okay, and kth coordinate is 0, okay, kth coordinate is 0. So this is the value of curl of mu x bar. Now putting these values in equation number 10, okay. Now equation 10 becomes therefore equation 10 becomes, okay, what is the equation number 10 here? Look at here, mu x into curl mu x. What is mu x? Mu p, mu q and mu r, okay. This one is mu x here. तुमचा mu x काय आहे? Yeah, this one is mu x and curl of mu x, this vector is 0. That is dou u upon dou x, dou u upon dou y and k plus dou u upon dou z. This vector, this is curl of, sorry, ux bar, and curl of ux bar is what? Dou k upon dou y minus dou k by dou x, and this one is 0, which is equal to 0, okay, which implies, now taking dot product, dou u by dou x into dou k by dou y minus dou u by dou y into dou k by dou x, okay, and k into 0 is 0, which is equal to 0, okay. But this is what Jacobian of uk with respect to xy. This is the Jacobian of uk with respect to x and y, which is equal to 0, okay. What it implies? Jacobian of uk with respect to xy is equal to 0. It implies that the relation between u and k, okay, does not involve x and y explicitly, does not involves x and y explicitly. Okay. Thus, k can be expressible as a function of as a function of u and z only or alone. Okay, what is the value of k? Look at here, this k, mu r minus dou u by dou z. So this is the function of only u and z only. Okay, therefore that is k is the function of only u and z. Therefore, the equation 8 becomes, what is the equation 8? This one. Du plus k dz is equal to 0. So this is the equation 8 becomes du plus k of uz. K is the function of uz into dz is equal to 0, which is the first order partial differential, which is the first order differential equation. Okay, not partial order, partial differential equation. Okay, which is the first order differential equation. Okay, and it possesses the solution phi. Okay, it possesses a solution of the form phi of uz. It possesses a solution of the form phi of u, capital U, and z is equal to c. Okay, where c is arbitrary constant. Where c is arbitrary constant. Okay, so replacing u by its expression in terms of x, y, z, we obtain the solution of equation 1 in the form u of x, y, z is equal to u of x, y, z is equal to c1. Okay, this shows that x bar into dr bar, that Baffin differential equation is 0 is equal to 0, is integrable. Okay, असा एक्झिस्ट तुमचा फंक्शन झालाय which is u of x, y, z equal to u of x, y, z is equal to c1. Okay, from this we can show that if x bar into dr bar is equal to 0, then the function is integrable, and if the function is integrable, then x bar into dr bar is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता. Okay, then we take the example in the next lecture. Okay, त्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला घेऊ. ओके, वेट अ मिनिट. ओके, काही डाऊट्स असतील तर विचारू शकता तुम्ही. एकदा एक्झाम्पल घेतल्यानंतर मग हे तुम्हाला सोपं वाटायला लागेल. ओके, थेरम मध्ये थोडं इन जनरलाइज लिहिलं त्यामुळे आपल्याला जरा हार्ड वाटेल. फर्स्ट वेळेला कळणार नाही, सारखं 2-3दा प्रॅक्टिस करावं लागेल त्यासाठी. ओके.
Yes, sir.
हा एकदा एक्झाम्पल घेऊया उद्या, मग तुम्हाला अजून क्लिअर होईल कसं सोल्युशन फाइंड करतो इंटिग्रल लेफ्ट हँड डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचं. झेड इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट ॲज्युम करून डू. ओके. एकदा जर प्रोसिजर कळाली की मग तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित कळेल, एक्झाम्पल वरून कळेल व्यवस्थित अजून. ओके. Thank you for the attending the lecture. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.